guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Linda and welcome to our little Rockstar fam. Basically, 2018 was the year that I decided that, I want to put some goals in mind. I want to really have those goals kind of at my forefront. And a bunch of people had suggested doing a vision board to me, which I had never done. So a vision board is literally a board where you clip out maybe things from magazines or you print out things from online that you put in front of you, and you will be inspired by this every day. It just kind of has your goals in mind, your vision for your future, things like that. So recently, my friend Bridget had suggested to me and a couple of my other friends that there was this vision board workshop where we would do a bit of meditation beforehand to kind of, bring forth exactly what we wanted in ourselves, and then we would do our vision board. And in the middle, we did a little yoga too, so there was a bunch of yogis there. And fun fact, I'm not a yogi. It's fun, but I'm not exactly the most zen person in the world, you know what I mean? Really though, it was a lot of fun, and a lot of stuff started coming together on my board that I thought you guys might be interested in, so I wanted to share my vision board with you. Before we go too much further, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Be a part of the Rockstar fam. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this, and let's get right into my vision board. So here is an overlook at my board, you guys. I was not expecting them to be this small, but I really like the way it turned out. So let's go over everything little by little. So when we did our initial meditation, the instructor sort of asked us to each say something about ourselves in the present tense that we wanted to manifest. So maybe it is, I am successful, or I am rich, or, I am famous, whatever it might be. It was an I am, something in the present tense. And for me, the second I started thinking about it, it was I am confident. The word confident and confidence kept coming up in my meditation, and that's because that's what I do lack a lot of times, whether it is body confidence, whether it's confidence what I'm giving to you guys on YouTube. Sometimes I just lack it. So that is why kind of the biggest thing here is confident. I just want to know and have it in front of me every day, be confident. There's no reason for all of us, you guys included, to be not confident about who we are and what we're putting out into this world. So that was kind of my main message that I wanted to see put out there. This is a big one for me. This year I am trying to eat better and exercise, but that's mainly for my health and everything like that. I look at so many, body positive Instagram accounts, and they are always so inspiring to me. And I want to love my body in that same way. Whether I have rolls or stretch marks or cellulite, which I have all of, which most of us have, I want to love them. I want to love them as much as maybe like if I get a little muscle in my arm or whatever. I want to love all of me. I want to feel good about my body, and not just because it's, it weighs 10 pounds less or, anything. I just want to feel good about the skin I'm in. Now, a lot of this stuff does have to do with YouTube and you guys and my fam here. So that would be things like, Beauty Star and things like that, and no fear. I don't want to be afraid anymore of what I'm putting out here, afraid of rejection or afraid of comments or anything like that. I want to be my full self, and I'm gonna be. I always have been. I don't ever want to put anything out here that's fake. It's gonna always be me, and screw the haters. Bring it on, bitches. Another big one is this sticker that I found that says, "Comparison is the thief of joy." Now, it's easy in the social media age to flip through Instagram and see, again, bikini models and these girls who are 15 years younger than me doing their makeup so much better than I ever could and things like that. And I do often find myself looking and going, I wish I could do that, or I wish I looked like that. I wish I, had their hair. I wish I had their eyes, things like that. What is the damn point? We're all pretty awesome, right? I mean, I'm pretty awesome. You're pretty awesome. It's all about looking and finding the awesomeness in ourselves, right? So you're always going to compare yourself to somebody, but my goal is I need to do it way less. Otherwise, I just wanted this to be a bright and colorful board. A lot of it is I want to be an inspiration, to you guys, to myself, de-stress. Always. I really need to get back into the habit of meditating. I was doing really well for a little while, and I definitely felt a difference in that. So gotta get back, gotta get my zen back, gotta get my And another big thing, I wanna hustle. I work a 9-to-5 regular job on the daily, and I wanna hustle and make YouTube badass for you guys. So that's my biggest goal in 2018, and a lot of this goes together with hustling. So that's it. I hope you guys liked my vision board. I'm really, really into it, and I kind of already can't wait to hang this up and can't wait to do one next year too. I'm probably gonna do this every year for the rest of my life. I'm really kind of inspired by this and I like the way it looks. It was kind of funny because in the group, like I said, everybody else was kind of like a yogi zen person. So a lot of theirs included like yoga poses and sunsets and very quiet, calm things. And mine is just like ripping stuff out of a magazine, kind of looking punk rock. I love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe if you haven't already and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat. Those are all GlitterFallout. You are my super rock stars, and thank you so much for being a part of the Rockstar fam. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.